People visit the library in order to gain access to information materials that fulfill their research and literary needs. And because libraries are expected to collect books from a state, community, or a country, researchers and readers visit a library trusting that they will find publications that fulfill their research and literary needs. But what happens when a researcher or reader visits a library and meets this? Hi, my name is Ifedilichukwu Chibuike and I am a graduate of Library and Information Science from the University of Nigeria, Nsukka. I am the founder of a social enterprise called Creator Library and Publishing. At Creator, because we believe that every reader has a book and every book has a reader, we have made it our mission to support knowledge, education and research by providing equitable access to educational and literary content online. As a research librarian, I know too well the disappointment and frustration readers and researchers feel when they go online to search for a centralized collection of Nigerian publications. Due to poor funding, inadequate professional staff, and lack of innovation, the National Library with the public libraries are not able to fulfill their functions and objectives. The Nigerian intellectual heritage are mostly abandoned on dusty shelves of creators and copyright owners. And due to lack of innovation, these institutions are not also able to accommodate the growing electronic publications market. This translates to loss of local content and access to a centralized database of Nigerian e-publications for research and literary purposes. For this reason, when we reviewed our model and Creator, we decided to redesign our platform to enable content creators to upload their publications for free, so that readers and researchers can read them online for free, but with a feature that allows the content creator to monetize the download so that they can earn from their intellectual property. In addition to our mission, we have a long-term vision of advancing knowledge, research and education in Africa. We are excited about the endless possibilities we can achieve with Creator Library and Publishing.
Hello, my name is Abako Amalachukwu. I'm a technical co-founder at the Creator Library. Here we preserve our stories, our history and our innovations via text for our generations and generations to come.
Hi, my name is Deji Yusufu and I'm the author of the book Victor Banjo. Every author needs a digital shelf and Creator Library has provided that.